Children, welcome back to online session. In today's science online session, we shall begin with a new lesson number 17, man-made materials. Plastic material, plastic, types and uses, plastic and environment, thermocol. These are the contents today we have to learn. Plastic material. We use various types of materials in our day-to-day life. In the picture you can see different varieties of plastic items. Bucket, mug, other types of tiffin, carriers, everything you can see. These materials are made up of various materials like wood, glass, plastic, thread, soil, metals, rubber, etc. Out of these, wood, rock, minerals, water are natural. Human perform research on various natural materials in laboratory. With the help of it, various materials are manufactured in factories. Such materials are called as man-made materials. Example, glass, plastic, artificial threads, thermocol, etc. These are the man-made materials. Plastic. A man-made material showing the property of plasticity and made up of organic polymers is called plastic. This is the definition of plastic. Structure of all the plastics is not same. Some are linear while some others are circular. What are the properties of plastic? Plastic does not corrode. It does not decompose. It is not easily affected by humidity, heat, rain, etc. Items of any color can be made from it. It can be molded into any shape due to the property of plasticity. It is bad conductor of heat and electricity. Being light in weight, it is easy to carry also. This is the picture, thermoplastic. Commonly used things are made up of thermoplastic. Other one, thermosetting. Most of the electrical items, it is made up of thermosetting plastic. Types and uses of plastic. Thermoplastic. Polyvinyl chloride, PVC. You must have heard the name of this PVC. Bottles, raincoat, pipes, handbags, shoes, electric cable, insulation, furniture, robes, toys, etc. These all are made up of PVC. Polystyrene, PS. Thermo-insulating parts of the electric appliances like refrigerators, gears of machines, toys, protective coverings like cars, CD and DVD, etc. Polyethylene or PE, milk bags, packing bags, flexible garden pipes, etc. Polypropylene PP, parts of loudspeakers and vehicles, robes, mattresses, laboratory appliances, etc. Next is thermosetting plastic. Bakelite, cabinets of radio, TV, telephone, electric switches, toys, coverings over handles of cookers, etc. Melamine, domestically useful items like cup, saucer, plates, tray, some spare parts of airplane engines, electric and sound insulating coverings, etc. Polyurethane, surfing boards, small boards, furniture, seats in vehicles, etc. Polyester, fiberglass, turners of laser printers, textile industry, etc. So these are the types of plastic. Next is plastic and environment. You all know, children, plastic is a very polluting agent. Day by day, the plastic bags are accumulating inside the sea or the ocean, and that will be harmful to the aquatic plants and animals. How many plastic carry bags are brought in your home in a day? What happens to those later on? How are they used up and thrown away? Carry bags, water bottles, milk bags, recycled? Some materials are naturally degraded. They are called as degradable materials, while some materials do not, called as non-degradable material. Degradable means that will be turning to some other simple substances. Most of the living organisms and dead things are degradable. From the given on textbook page, we can understand that plastic is a non-degradable and hence it is an environment pollutant. Which measures can be arranged to avoid this? Material, vegetable, degradation period within 1 to 2 weeks. That's what if you are not using vegetable for 2 weeks and not under refrigeration, that will get spoiled and you may get a foul or a stinky odor from the vegetables and other type of fruits also. Types of material, it is degradable. One, cotton cloth, 1 year. If you don't use cotton clothes for long time and kept unused for a long period, you must have seen fungus infected on the surface of this cotton cloth. So that is also degradable. Wood, 10 to 15 years. So we protect the wood using varnish and paint. Degradable. Plastic, thousands of years. See the thousands of years, so many generations, still the plastic will not disintegrate and non-degradable. Thermocol. Thermocol is a form of complex material called polystyrene. It transforms into liquid state on heating at more than 100 degrees Celsius temperature and returns to solid state on cooling. Due to this, we can give any desired shape to it. Being a good shock absorber, it is used in packing of delicate items. That's what thermocol. Nowadays, totally banned thermocol. It is a very harmful thing to the living beings and humans also. So we should not use any thermocol item. Adverse effects and excessive use of thermocol on environment and humans. Being carcinogenic ingredients in styrene, the person in contact with thermocol for long duration may have the possibility of blood cancer like leukemia and lymphoma. If a person is coming in contact with this thermocol for a long time, not 1 or 2 days, then that may lead to different type of diseases, chronic diseases like cancer and lymphoma and non-biodegradable substance. It takes long duration for natural degradation of thermocol. Hence, many people opt for destroying it by burning. However, it is still more hazardous method as it releases poisonous gases in atmosphere. And if you are burning it, it releases the poisonous gases and that will cause pollution to the air. So we should not burn even plastic also, thermocol also. That's about this thermocol. Now we will come to the end part of this video. Distinguish between the following: man-made material and natural material. The answer is given in the video only. In the first slide you can compare and write the answer. Thermoplastic and thermosetting plastic, answer is given in the chart in the second slide. Answer the following: thermocol is produced from which material? You can read the video and find out the answer. You can refer textbook also. Write the uses of PVC. So that's about today's session. Thank you. Stay safe. Have a